Eggs of Sacrifice or the Periapt of the Sacrifice. What are they and how to get them? Today, I will show you how to obtain the Eggs of Sacrifices or the Periapt of Sacrifice and their uses. So what are the Eggs of Sacrifice and why do you need them? So if you have units like Guts or Berserker or Griffin or even the Skull Knight, you will need the Eggs of Sacrifice in order to evolve them. Eggs of Sacrifice or the Periapt of Sacrifice is the main ingredient to evolve Guts and Griffin and Skull Knight. Both are very good and meta units. Now let's discuss where do we get them. First, head into the play and you need to play the Snowy Kingdom Infinite. So go as far as you can or grind until you get an Eclipse Portal. So your choice. And usually, 50 waves will get you around 2 to 5 Eclipse Portals depends on your RNG. Now after you got those Eclipse Portals, you need to play those Eclipse Portals. It only lasts 15 waves and pretty easy to finish. So just bring air or hybrid units and bleed units because there are regent enemies. And at the end of the match, you will get this Periapt of Sacrifices. So this is the main material that you need to grind to evolve units like Guts, Griffin, and Skull Knight. So it's a pretty easy mechanic and both of the Eclipse Portal and the Snowy Kingdom Infinite can be grinded solo. And that's how you obtain Eggs of Sacrifice or Periapt of Sacrifice.